Alright, put in $50. See how far I got on the gauge. My guess is 3/8 of a tank. Let's see. Not even. Quarter tank. Oh my god. This thing's so bad on gas. It's fun though. The most important tradition of the new season with the camper is we have to get our steer horns back on the front. You can't leave them on in the winter because the cover, these will poke right through it. So, time to reattach them. Live from in Classy Cassie, the motorhome. Just got the gas tank put in it. It's been leaking gas for a year. I popped a hole in it somewhere around, I think it was New Mexico, when we hit something in the road and popped basically a couple hydraulic lines and put a hole in the gas tank at that point. We had just kind of, everywhere we go, we bring a oil pan for like changing oil, and I throw it underneath the gas tank because it only leaks out about a gallon a day, and then I pour it back into it at the end of the night. Sick of doing that. Finally got the gas tank in. It was about a 2-3 hour job. Not terrible. I'm running on a gallon and a half of gas that we had left in it, and I'm trying to make it to the gas station now, and then we'll get started for the day. Freaking love driving this thing. King of the road. I'm gonna have to inspect it. We'll be able to make it on this trip, but the inspection runs up next month, so get that done. We're at 31,000 miles on it. Bought it with 17,000, so we've almost doubled the miles.
I am speed. Ciao.
Check out these slippers.
They make it speed.
Damn, those are some slippers.
Oh.
Alright, show us what we did yesterday. What we got on here?
Mr. Steer Horns.
How do we attach them?
Zip ties.
Zip ties?
Plastic and metal.
Plastic and metal zip ties. Exactly. You testing it?
No.
Perfect.
I'm just hugging it.
Alright. Alright. Got a new set of General Grabber tires for the front. Got an alignment done. Of course it's a little weird right now because it's up on the jacks. Has the auto leveling on this. But brand new tires. Hopefully it'll last us through Texas at least. Should probably also show you the enclosed hauler. Did a nice job here, and she installed this for us. Obviously it's a little dark in here. Turn on your lights. Boom. Obviously when you're hooked up to the actual truck or camper, you have these house lights that'll work, but sometimes you're not hooked up or you don't want to have to run and draw power off that. Anyhow, so from this point back is what holds the car. The whole trailer's like 26 foot. I think it's either 24 or 26, either way, whatever. From those D-clips forward, you can actually fit either like a small side-by-side or a golf cart along with the vehicle in here. This is our ghetto rig system of holding our tools and tie downs and all that type of crap. Keep the spare tire in. Should be awesome. My parents are actually coming with us to Texas to go check out this adventure here. We leave in 2 days. Hopefully we don't destroy too much shit, and I'll try to document as we go what we're doing. Go get that SRTA charger.